Want to play YouTube videos on your Amazon Echo Dot? Well, even though there's no built-in YouTube app, but you can still stream YouTube audio using a few easy steps. In this video, I'll show you how to play YouTube videos on your Echo Dot using Bluetooth. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Before we start, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the steps. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Now tap on the device's icon below. It looks like a bulb. Now tap on your Echo device name. Next, tap Connect a device under Bluetooth connection. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth on your other device. Now pair your device from here. Now I go to YouTube and play videos. Make sure that the volume is up, and here it is. So friends, this is how you can play YouTube videos on your Amazon Echo Dot. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.